The Supreme Court votes to uphold the constitutionality of the third extension of martial law in Mindanao. The unbanked votes 9-4 to dismiss 4 petitions questioning the third extension. Those who voted to dismiss are Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin, Associate Justices Diosdado Peralta, Mariano del Castillo, Estela Perlas Bernabe, Andres Reyes Jr., Alexander Gismundo, Jose Reyes Jr., Ramon Paul Hernando, and Rosemary Carandang. The dissenters are Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio and Associate Justices Marvic Leonen, Francis Hardeleza, and Benjamin Cagiwa. Supreme Court spokesperson Brian Hosaka says Carandang will be the ponente of this new decision. An American Catholic priest accused of molesting more than 50 people in the province of Biliran is now under the custody of the National Capital Region Police Office. Metro Manila Top Cop Director Guillermo Eliazar served the warrants of arrest on Father Kenneth Hendricks Tuesday inside the Bureau of Immigration Detention Cell in Camp Bagong Diwa in Taguig City over charges of acts of lasciviousness. Police say Hendricks allegedly molested more than 50 people since he arrived in the Philippines in 1968. The Food and Drug Administration or FDA permanently revoked the Dengvaxia vaccine Certificate of Product Registration Tuesday. The FDA says French vaccine company Sanofi Pasteur failed to submit post-approval commitment documents despite being ordered to do so over a year ago. This means it will now be illegal to import, sell, or distribute Dengvaxia products in the Philippines. The Dengvaxia controversy started in November 2017 after Sanofi released an advisory warning that its vaccine could cause a person to later develop severe dengue if he or she had not been infected by the virus prior to immunization. Immunization rates plummeted in the wake of the Dengvaxia scare. President Rodrigo Duterte signed Republic Act No. 11202 or the Mobile Number Portability Act. This means subscribers can now keep their mobile numbers even if they decide to change mobile service providers. They will also keep their number even if they change their subscription from postpaid to prepaid or vice versa. Under the law, mobile service providers can no longer charge interconnection fees for domestic calls and texts made by a mobile phone user. Service providers that violate the law or refuse to implement mobile number portability will face various fines to be imposed by the National Telecommunications Commission. The point of the law is to give consumers more options and encourage competition in order to improve services of mobile service providers. 16 U.S. states sue President Donald Trump's administration over his decision to declare a national emergency to fund a wall on the southern border with Mexico. The lawsuit was filed in a federal court in California. The move had been previously announced by California's Attorney General Xavier Becerra. Several Republican senators decried the emergency declaration, saying it establishes a dangerous precedent and amounts to executive overreach. The following states are seeking an injunction: California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Illinois, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, and Virginia. Trump's declaration enables the president to divert funds from the Pentagon's military construction budget and other sources.